Well, last time we've talked about how to make these components, and we've talked about using the modules like WXO to create those XML tags. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to modify this file. For example, I want to go into this steps table. And specifically, I want to go to this the cell, which is row 3, column 1. So I want to change the contents inside. So how am I going to do it? So actually, when I'm making this components, these tags, so in addition to the tags specified by Word, I also add my own attribute names. For example, each table is going to have a name. Right, so like in this case, I'm gonna have this a table which is called credential, right? And also I'm gonna have the other table which is called, well, this is, yeah, so this table is called the steps. So and also within this table, for each cell, it is going to have its address. Like this one is row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, whatever. So that will make it handy for me to update the results. For example, I can, if I want to change something, the first is that I can make a paragraph or paragraphs according to the contents I want to have. Right? So for a specific case, like in this case, I'm going to have multiple paragraphs to be inserted into the same cell. So I'm going to have this paragraphs as an array. All right. So this paragraph of array is gonna contain different paragraphs. Right. So I'm going to make it, and then I'm going to use a function called the change cell contents. So that one is specified by so what is the table? All right. So what is the cell, the address of the cell, and then what are the paragraphs that you want to inject. So with all of that, then it can be easily change the contents of that document. Right. So with this, I guess the next is that it's going to be very easy. That I'm going to go to for example, a SAS CGP file. From the comments, I'm going to get the relevant contents. For example, in task 1, the code task 1, I have a description there to say this is for objective 1. And within that, this is the first step, which is to create a cohort. And these are the criteria, right? So then I can grasp the contents and going back here and inject that into this particular cell in this row. And then I'm going to go back and, I'm going to have all of these steps from different tasks and put that in an order. And then I can, I can inject that row by row into this research document.